In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a custom location on Snapchat. Okay, so to add a location on your Snapchat and a custom one, what you would do is either take a photo or a video, and then you will have the options there on the right hand side. And then you want to tap on the third one, which is that little sticker icon. Tap on that. That'll bring you up all the different options as what you can do with your snap. Tap on location, and then you can see a little flag next to the location on the left hand side. Tap on that. And what you want to tap on from here is suggest a place. And then what you would do is enter in your name, your phone number, and then enter in the address that you would like to use as your custom location. Select a category and some hours. You can just add anything you would like for that. So what will happen is once you've done all of this, then Snapchat will go ahead and approve this location, and then you will be able to use this custom location in your snaps. Just hit the submit button in blue to start that process. So that would be how you add a custom location on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.